Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the MAC address check using the IMEI number of Motorola Edge 70. Alright, first we need to type our IMEI number right in here. To check it, open up your phone app and type *#06 hashtag, and in here we have our IMEI number. That's how we can check it. Now we need to click on Check IMEI. Scroll down until you find the basic checks, and in here we have MAC address check. Simply tap on that, and now in here we need to type our MAC address. To check it, open up the settings, scroll down, click on About Phone, scroll down again, Device Identifiers, and in here we have our device Wi-Fi MAC address. Simply copy your Wi-Fi MAC address into this bar. We need to type it manually, and then click on Check MAC address. Okay, now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and we have our result. Extended information about your device MAC address. There are also 10 random MACs for this brand. So we can see the country flag, is it private, data of creation and data update. And down below we have those 10 random MACs that we can copy. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.